It's a Top That Trade Day. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading pro, here to pound out a few rounds in our trader game, Top That Trade. Here we go, guys, with round number one. Costco Chief. A little, shall we say, oversight had Costco selling so-called Tiffany rings. Which stock do you think is ready to shine, Tiffany or Costco?
Tiffany's setting.
Right.
Yeah, it's called a Tiffany setting. So some
Well,
people are,
that's
there was
I
misunderstanding.
have Tiffany settings on my shoelaces every day. Tiffany, well,
These are two American
they're
icons.
But they're protecting their brand, and I understand it. But there
$20
is a
million
Tiffany
fine.
style, and you know, there's a lot of companies that rip off Tiffany style, and this time they could hammer.
If you go on the
they
internet.com,
actually
you can
use the name.
get, if you go on internet.com, you get fake Tiffany stuff.
That's
so
it. But
I guess
basically, I still don't like their stock. Though.
You don't like their stock? Well, you know why I don't like their stock?
Why?
Because metal prices are popping up.
Metal prices are popping
and there's
up.
a cost of goods.
Platinum, palladium, and all that fancy
Silver.
stuff they put
A
around.
lot of their stuff is
Diamonds.
silver. They use it as their entry level to get people in the door to get addicted to Tiffany, and then they buy more stuff.
And then
so,
you can get it cheaper at Costco.
But Costco has declined. So Costco has fallen from 180 down to 150. So if you can get it back above 165, boom, I think it's going once again.
You guys are sparkling today. Round number two, over, undervalued. A record number of fund managers say that the market is overvalued. What do you say?
Some of the biggest trading houses are saying this thing is just getting going. J.P. Morgan, I believe, and who's the other one? Another big.
I got it over.
They're ready to rock.
Yeah, I got over under here. As long as the S&P stays about 2350-ish, which is kind of the 200-day moving average, that's held the overall trend. That targets 2,800 in the S&P. So that's the over-under. If it goes under that, we're in trouble. If we remain over 2350, then we're going to 2,800.
You know, but that doesn't mean this is where you should shine here, because you should be telling people about your favorite thing. Protect your profits with some options.
There you go.
Listen, we're very
volatility's
very
come back down again.
Volatility's come back down.
It had the pop and then smack back down.
There you go. I'm glad I reminded you.
Thank you. Thank you for the reminder.
On to round number three, Swiss or miss. A currency guru believes the Swiss franc is going to rocket higher. What's your money trade?
You know, I'll tell you, I mean, that's one of the most dangerous play, because the Swiss government, when it gets too high, can really mess with you. And that was one of the most dangerous plays. When everybody got too long the Swiss franc, a little bit later, there was a trap. You know, the Swiss central bank came out and they misled everybody and said, oh, we're not doing anything with interest rates. And then in the dark of the night, boom, they almost brought down about 3 or 4 brokerage firms with their about face. So listen, I like the Swiss franc. I think it's very strong.
It's a gold play.
But the Swiss government hates it.
It's a gold play, and it's also a euro play, because it'll benefit from the weaker dollar, obviously. The vehicle to play the Swiss franc is FXF.
Right.
So that's the ETF.
Or just buy Smith Cocoa, and, you know, that's a safe. I think the cocoa market looks
good.
So the thing
is, if you look at this, it looks strong. They've got a lot of assets in the euro currency as far as the Swiss National Bank. And so it's very possible. But again, what you're looking at is the dollar's already declined a significant amount so far this year. I'm careful to think, you know, I'm cautious, because I think somewhere along the way there could be a dollar bounce.
In today's bonus round. For today's bonus round question, it's all about Labor Day. According to Forbes, can you name the city with the hardest working Americans? Is it Anchorage, Alaska, Chicago, Illinois, or Phoenix, Arizona?
Hey there.
Well, I'm going to pick the biggest city, because I want to appeal to the most people. So I pick Chicago.
I know I'm the hardest working guy in Chicago, so I would have to say it's Chicago. But you know what?
I would say you're
Anchorage, Alaska.
It's Alaska. Yes. Great job. Anchorage, Alaska, where we air. We love you. Hardworking people all over America. Thanks for coming on the show, guys. Business First AM continues right after this.